morning, children. Hope you all are fine and healthy. Today our lesson of the second term, that is the second lesson of second term, that is good health and prevention of diseases. Okay. Now, there is a popular saying that health is wealth. That is very, very true, that health is wealth, because good health helps us remain active, healthy and fit. Also, the most important thing among all of them is keep diseases away and delay our old age. There are many vital keys for the fit and healthy body. That is the most important of them is balanced diet. Okay, eating balanced diet, regular and adequate exercise and proper rest are very much essential to keep our body healthy. Okay, let's see what is balanced diet. Okay, a balanced diet contains adequate amount of different nutrients needed by the body along with the roughage and water. What are the different nutrients needed by our body? The different nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Okay. Apart from this, roughage and water also. Okay. Now, what is a balanced diet means? A balanced diet, our food contains nutrients like all the different nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. But we have to eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet means the various nutrients present in the food, okay, that are useful for our body, for our growth, okay, and to stay healthy. Okay, the different nutrients required by our body to stay healthy and also to grow is nothing but a balanced diet. Okay, a balanced diet is one which contains adequate amount of different nutrients. What are the different nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals along with roughage and water. Let us see in detail what are the different nutrients. Okay. Now, first one is carbohydrate. Food items rich in carbohydrates are called energy giving food. Carbohydrates are called energy giving food like grains, sweet potato, banana, sugar and jaggery. All these contains carbohydrates and they are called energy giving food. Immediate after eating these, you will get immediate energy. Second one is a protein. Pulses, eggs, milk, paneer, curd, meat, fish are rich in proteins. Okay. So fish and meat, milk products and all the different pulses are very rich in proteins. Okay, proteins are also called body building food. Those people who will build their body, bodybuilders, they eat lot of proteins. At a time they will have 6 eggs, 10 eggs like that. Okay, the injured people needs lot of protein rich food in their diets, and the growing children also need a lot of protein. Next one is a fat. Fats provide more energy than carbohydrates and are called protective food. Protective food. Okay. Provide lot of energy, carbohydrates and are called energy storehouse. They are called energy storehouse. So, fats give us more energy compared to carbohydrates and they store energy. So, they are called energy storehouse. Okay, what contains fats are there in cheese, oils, ghee, butter and nuts and oil seeds. All these if you have, you will get lot of fats. Lot of fat, excess of fat in our diet is not good. That may lead us to a obesity, very fatness and heart problems also you get. Coming to the vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are called the protective nutrients as they protect our body from various diseases. So, vitamins and minerals are called protective nutrients because they protect us from different diseases. Minerals help us in proper growth and development of our body. And vegetables and fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. So you should eat lot of vegetables and fruits so that you protect your body from, it's called a protective nutrient. So from the different diseases you are protected. Coming to the vegetables and fruits you should eat. All the fruits and all the vegetables. Coming to the roughage. Roughage are the fiber. It is also called fiber. That softens our food. Okay. And soften our stool, and roughage are fibers that soften our stool and feces, and is present in raw fruits and vegetables. You should eat raw fruits like carrots, cabbage. Okay, you should eat, and raw fruits and vegetables also. You should, all the fruits and vegetables you should eat, so that what will happen? It will help in digestion. Okay, it will get rid of undigested food. Okay, and you get a regular bowls. Usually you will get washrooms, and the constipation is prevented. Many people will not get regular motions, like so. That keeps our body, every day you will have to remove your undigested food. That is very important. It should not be retained in the body. Water aids in digestion and absorption. So water helps in digestion of food and also absorption of nutrients in the body. So we are supposed to drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Okay. Now, okay, this is all about our health and preventive diseases. Okay, let's continue our lessons from the adequate exercises. You read page number 16 and 17 and 18, children. Okay, let's continue our lesson in the next class. Thank you.